Hello, I'd like to show you how to join Door County Library programs using Zoom. The first thing you have to do is go to the website for Zoom, and at zoom.us/download, you'll see the download button. Download the Zoom client, install it, and then create an account with an email and a password. Once you've done that, you go to doorcountylibrary.org. Under the logo, you'll see calendar. Click on the calendar. Find the program you're interested in. Today we have a book talk with Judy Ducharme, author of Lady of Door Islands. When you click on the link, it'll open up more information about the book talk, and there will be a Zoom link. When you click the Zoom link, it's going to open that Zoom client. It'll ask you to join with audio and video, and then you'll have to wait a few minutes while the person running the program admits you to the event. That's all there is to it. Thanks.